So let's solve a problem like this. A solution that contains 55 grams of ascorbic acid, vitamin C, in 250 grams of water freezes at negative 2.34 degrees Celsius. So calculate the molar mass in grams per mole of the solute. So Kf of water is 1.86 degrees Celsius per molar, and the freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. So please don't ask for the formula, the chemical formula of vitamin C, because you defeat the purpose on solving this type of problem. So this is a freezing point depression or colligative property problem. So we can start with the change in the temperature. So we can start, we could say, with the delta TF. So delta TF is just equals to what? The freezing point of the solvent, okay? No, minus the freezing point of the solution. So the solution has a lower freezing point than the solvent. So based on this one, we have what? 0 as the freezing point of the solvent, which is water, minus negative 2.34 degrees Celsius. So we're going to get here around what? 2.34 degrees Celsius. So that's delta TF. Now, once we have the delta TF, we can use the formula. Delta TF is equals to KFM. Okay? So the delta TF is now given as what? 2.34. And the KF is also given here. So if we're going to what we call rearrange this one, we have this formula. So molality now is equals to delta TF over KF. So I can put 2.34 degrees Celsius divided by 1.86 degrees Celsius per molar. And if I'm going to do the operation here, I will have what? 1.26 molar. Now, the molar that we have here is just equals to what? Molality is equals to moles over kilogram solvent. So based on this one, you're given the mass of the solvent, which is 250 grams. Okay. And you also given what we call the molality. So from this relationship, we can rearrange it where mole is just equals to molality times kilogram solvent. So you have to remember, what is that small m there? That is molality. And where do I get the molality? So that's 1.26 moles per kilogram. That's the one that we get from the initial concentration. Now, you have here what? 250 grams, convert it to kilogram. So for every 1 kilogram, you have 1,000 grams. So based on this one, you will get around 0.315 moles. Now, we all know moles is equals to what? Mass over molar mass. Now, we know mass, we got the mole, so we can calculate for the molar mass. So rearranging this one, molar mass is just equals to mass over mole. So we use 55.0 gram over 0.315 moles. So the molar mass is equals to around what? 175 grams per mole. Okay,